Una don my pipu, I greet una from anywhere in the world wey you dey take watch my video. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji, I be your pidgin teacher for dis data analytics matter. For dis video, I wan sama una how to dey trim your data for inside Excel. Now how we dey take use dis trim? If you import data from any source, e no matter which source wey you bring am come from. If you bring am come from any source, e fit no dey properly arranged as e suppose be. If you look dis one now, e be like sey e get space. If you look dis skirt now, space dey for here. Dis one sef space dey for here. Space fit dey for dis front make you no know. E get some wey be sey if you click am, dis one no get space. E get some wey be sey if you click am, you go see sey space dey. Now I don put space for dis one, but if you look am, you no go see sey space dey. See am now, space dey. So now if you no comot all those space, if you wan do your analysis, e go dey give you problem. Now to come comot all dis space na im we dey take use trim for. I go come here now, do equal sign. If you no understand wetin we dey do, wetin I dey do with dis equal sign, na im be sey you dey new to Excel, sharparly run go inside my channel, go watch all the video wey I don sama explain different things for Excel for beginners. Now as I don put dis equal sign now, I go come write trim, press tab, e don show. You go come go dat column wey you wan trim, dis one now, come highlight everything. As I don highlight am now, come press enter. As I press enter, see now everything don arrange. If you compare am to dis one now, e don arrange. You fit leave am like dis and you fit copy am come paste am here. Now if you wan paste am here, you no go paste am like normal pasting, you go come do paste special. For dis one, you go come do, see dis one now, the one wey dem call value, you go come, now see am now, e don arrange. If you click am now, na the name wey you go dey see, but if you click dis one, you go dey see formula for inside am. I go see you for my next video. No forget to subscribe o. I get many things wey I wan show you for dis Excel function. Bye.